Hello, my name is Muer Zhou, and I'm the developer of the game Driven, a rational functions learning tool. Now, to preface, when I was learning math, one significant problem I discovered was that there rarely existed a fun math learning tool online. Oftentimes, math learning games lack the fun graphics or interactive features that engage students. My app's purpose is to provide a fun and engaging way to learn rational functions, which is one core math unit for both AP Pre-Calculus and Integrated Math 3. And this will be accomplished through cute graphics and design, as well as an interactive storyline that players can participate in. This app is intended for high school students in Integrated Math 3 and AP Pre-Calculus who are just learning rational functions and would like to get more practice with them, or to serve as a learning tool for students who may want to get ahead in math. This app was made using code.org, which uses JavaScript. Now let's get to the app. The game begins at the title screen, where the user can input their name to greater immerse themselves into the game. There is a Guides button for quick access to all math tutorials within the game. The game begins when you click Start, and we are introduced to a character who will accompany us in this math learning process. We learn that Earth has been destroyed because of a simple mathematical miscalculation, and that we are now tasked with aiding them in restoring Earth by collecting Earth fragments. How these fragments are collected is where the interactive learning part comes into play. After finishing the dialogue, we will be led to a tutorial page, where the game gives a very surface-level introduction to rational functions. Now, players are tasked with correctly entering the value of n, which is the function's vertical asymptote's x value, to plot out the rocket's path so that it avoids hitting meteors, which is demonstrated by the vertical asymptote. In order to pass this part, you must correctly input an answer 5 times. Here's what it looks like when you enter the correct answer. There's a hint button provided as well. When players enter the wrong answer, they are prompted to retry with a different problem or look back to the guide page. After correctly answering 5 answers, you will have finished this part of the game, and you can continue the next portion. And because it is still a work in progress, you aren't able to progress past this point, and the game will restart back to the beginning where you can continue practicing rational functions. This is the code for the app, where I've utilized a ton of variables, lists, and functions to create the app. For example, here's the dialogue and here's the code for the first game. That's all for Driven Rational Functions. Thank you for listening.